13 years ago today, an earthquake devastated Haiti.
Yeah, Good Day Wake Up anchor Tashani Whitlow found out how the country is recovering and preparing for the next natural disaster. Tashani.
Good morning, ladies. It's a somber day because 13 years ago, as you mentioned, a magnitude 7 earthquake left a path of destruction. The country's still dealing with poverty and political instability. Dr. Jerry Chandler, a surgeon at the time, now the head of disaster management, blames the extensive damage on the lack of coordination. Dr. Chandler is working to not repeat the mistakes of the past. On January 12th, 13 years ago today, he was leaving his office in Port-au-Prince around 5 o'clock in the evening when that powerful earthquake hit Haiti. He quickly jumped into action.
We saw all kinds of trauma, all kinds of wounded, and everything was an emergency, from the most, the smallest injury to the worst type of injury you could imagine. So we were literally overwhelmed and flooded with patients, and at a certain point it was so difficult that we ran out of supplies.
220,000 people were killed, 300,000 were injured, and 1.5 million were left homeless. This is Dr. Chandler working beneath the rubble. Now, as the head of Haiti's disaster management, he's responsible for the country's response to the next disaster.
We're also putting a lot of effort in communicating with the population, educating the population, because those situations, you cannot avert them, you cannot avoid them. You cannot avoid an earthquake, but you can be prepared for it. So that's where we want to invest. We want to put all of our strengths.
Dr. Chandler says the country will continue to work with the international community for support. It's a partnership that helped raise more than $13.5 billion after that quake, many questioning where and how that money was spent. Now, despite political unrest, the country has made some improvements, such as strengthening building codes, which Dr. Chandler acknowledges is up to the government to enforce. Now, despite Haiti's setbacks, another earthquake in 2021, followed by a tropical storm, then the assassination of its president and gang violence, Haitians are resilient. Dr. Chandler says there's a saying, as soon as there is life, there is hope, and that's what keeps the people of Haiti going. Back to you, Rosanna, at the desk.
All right, Tashani, thank you so much for that update.